Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of our Naija podcast. My name is Gloria Zegar, and I am your host. Today in the studio, I have with me the very gorgeous Miss Snow White.
You're making me blush, seriously.
Thank you for being on the show with me.
Oh, it's a pleasure.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. And you already know, I have my co-host with me, Big Baby B. Welcome on the show, guys. Theodore, the very gentleman. You guys already know Theodore is the gentleman in this show.
Are you sure?
Well, I'm telling you, he's always gentle.
Yes, so he doesn't even talk.
He doesn't talk at all.
I don't agree with you.
He's always
I'm
quiet.
telling you, like, he's always quiet. He's always backing and supporting the motion.
That's studio behavior.
Yes, that's exactly. So, guys, yes. So, guys, today we'll be discussing in the studio forgetting old friends because of fame and wealth. Yes, that's what I brought to the studio today. Let's talk about that. What do you guys think? Do you think people really forget their friends because of fame, because of money, influence, or what do you think? Because I okay.
Oh, well, for me, I would say there are so many reasons why people would want to drop their friends or forget their friends, but I wouldn't say it is particularly because of fame or because of money. Yes, you can become famous or wealthy, and certain friends will not suit
Your lifestyle.
the lifestyle.
Yes.
But for someone like me, I don't completely drop. There's always a space for somebody. There's always a need for some people. There's always a place where they do fit
You
in.
can fit, yeah.
Yeah.
You just don't completely cut them. But except that person is either dangerous to you, except that person is like constitute a nuisance every time they're around you.
Yeah.
Except the person is dramatic, overly dramatic, and can cause a scene around you. Those could be the basic reasons why you might not want to have them around.
Yeah.
Because people differ.
Yes.
Upbringings differ.
Yes.
Knowledge and understanding differ. Everybody has a different level of IQ.
Yes.
Yes.
So you don't
Yes.
expect them to know what you know at some level of exposure.
You're right.
So
You're right.
I think differently for me, it will be I will deal with you in a different way.
Wait.
I might not have you in those public places where you could cause an issue for me, but I could still come to you, like go to your environment, chill
Yeah.
with you, because you're
Yeah.
still I can't unknow you.
Yeah.
I know you. I can't
Yes.
unknow you.
Yes.
That's the truth about it.
Yes.
So it depends on the dealings with that person. I wouldn't say you forget. Although some people are in the habit of cutting off completely.
Yeah.
You
Yes.
just completely cut off because this person doesn't. But I wouldn't say that's a fair treatment. I wouldn't say that's a good way to relate.
Yeah.
So
You're
there
right.
are ways of relating.
Sometimes
basically.
Yeah,
I
you're
think
right,
It's,
you're right.
It's a good way to relate that way by cutting off with all those friends. Because yes, now
Oh, yeah. I let you know, so
Please
yeah.
enlighten us.
There's nothing gentle about
I'm
that.
telling you. No, maybe I made a mistake. Because the other came to the
violence.
studio. He
it's
came with
not
violence today.
but man, in this life, everything happens for a reason, and based on the fact of the parts of safe fame and growth, you don't pass one level, you don't pass that level.
Yeah.
Just because you grew up or you knew this person for a long time doesn't mean you guys are actually meant to be together, or say, I don't know, why did I say meant to be together? At least still keeping in touch, still being that friends that you guys are. There's a whole lot that happens these days that makes us get to cut off from these people. And most times it comes from their attitudes and things about them that maybe they refuse not to change. Not to change. Make I give one instance now. How you go there? Or sorry, no be say how you go there. How me I go there? I dey waka one day. I can't see my old friend, my secondary school classmate to be precise. He did, they hail me, call me. I was not wondering, like, who this person when they call me. The next, only for me to turn and look, I saw it was my classmate, like this guy, that I had not seen in years. But what kind of state was he in? The guy was high. Like, high. And the way with that guy, that level with the guy don't deliver, he was now trying to claim, like, so you go see me. They do as if, what did I do? Sincerely speaking, I felt bad.
That he was in that state.
Yeah. I felt bad he was in that state. But what I did, my own reaction, I just looked at him and walked away as if I didn't know.
Wow, Theodore,
Yes.
wow.
Yes, I did it. Yes, I did it.
People
Wow.
react differently.
Yes, people react
No, see.
differently. But do you also think that sometimes it's not even the person that has the fame and the wealth? Sometimes it's even some friends that withdraw from you.
Yes, because they feel
a type of
you're
way.
because they feel okay. This one is like
Yes.
above my class.
Thank you.
If I come,
They withdraw.
they're going to
Yeah.
disrespect me, or they'll feel like I'm coming here to beg for money.
Exactly,
Or
exactly.
some people feel that way.
Yeah,
Some people feel that way.
Yes, it
They
happens.
have low self-esteem.
Yeah.
Once you have money more than them,
Yes,
they just feel.
inferiority
Yes,
complex.
Yeah, it's a
thank you.
complex.
That's the
Yes,
word.
yes,
That's the word.
yes.
That's the word.
So now, would you blame? Well, would you blame such friends? Because there are some people that, if you, of course, like we know that some people have attained a certain level of success, right? But some friends will not understand. They want you to still hang out. They still want you to hang out with them.
To be
the
that same
the same way you
person.
hang out with them
Before.
in the past.
If you call, you come, or you show up.
Like some friends are not being understanding. They
Yeah.
don't understand that things have changed.
Change.
For
Oh, well,
you.
that's where the matured one, comes to the
Comes-
balance.
Yeah.
Because it's a balance. In everything in life, you just have to have a balance to
Balance.
everything.
Yes.
It's just like we mothers that work. We need to have balance to it. Like, you also have an aspect where, like, if you come to my office, I'm a complete boss. I don't smile. I have the moments when I keep the straight face.
Yeah.
I suck, actually, when I have to.
Yes.
Wow.
When
Yes.
that happens, it's not the same smiley face I used to play with you, encourage you, talk to you, because I must have given you several warnings, letters, or everything, and you don't. So it's the same thing. There needs to be that balance as
Balance.
a friend. That's,
Yes.
oh yeah, we can talk, we can play, but yeah, there's a point where I need
There's
to
a
talk
limit.
sense.
Well, I'm telling you, like
to
some
you.
friends don't understand that.
They don't.
Oh well, then that's the point where you
cut them off.
You not completely cut them off.
Oh.
You actually give you a reason why I cannot be close to you.
Yeah,
because
I can't
I've
be doing certain
tried.
things with
like,
you.
I've tried to talk
Yes,
to you. I've tried to
yes.
make you see reasons. I've tried to throw some light into certain things. I'm trying to point you to a direction, because you don't make it look like you're trying to impose yourself on people. You only try to make them see things in a certain direction.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if it
Yes.
shows you, if it shows that their IQ level or whatever they have in their brain is
Low.
not enough to carry
Yeah.
that aspect, you just
Yeah.
let them be.
Yeah,
So
right.
it doesn't look like you're
Right.
imposing. So you let them be. But doesn't mean I'll see you on the road and not say hello.
Hello.
I'll
Very
just say
good, you said
hello.
let
It's a
them
brief
be.
hello and a goodbye.
Yeah,
So
everybody
Theodore
goes.
is
Yeah.
Theodore
Say
is
let them be. But
Theodore is
because
of the
me-
opinion that you cut them off
Cut off.
completely.
No,
Like once
cut
you've
off.
gotten to that
Truth-
level of
the truth
fame,
is you can't unknow somebody.
exactly,
Because you will still see this person on the
Exactly.
road and a part of you
Right.
will pinch you that I know that's my classmate.
Yes.
I know that
Yeah.
guy.
Yes,
I know
yes,
that guy.
yes.
You-
Wait
you
first,
can't-
why you talk like
but
this?
Theodore-
In
but
as
it
much
feels
as you they do this thing, you know say some other people they will go still cut you off from their own ends. Now.
And
Yes.
that's their
Oh,
problem.
and
That's
that's
their
fine.
problem. The truth
And that is fine.
How do you sleep at night? I
Exactly.
sleep well knowing that I hurt nobody
Yes.
and nobody is hurting
Yes,
me.
yes.
Abi.
So I will sleep
Exactly.
well. I will enjoy my sleep. I will turn to all corners of the bed and I'm good at it. But
Yes.
I don't want to feel like I am the offender. So that way it
Same
works
here.
for me.
Same here.
I don't care
Me
if I'm
too.
the offender or me, I'm just living
If you're not giving me comfort, if you're not giving me peace of mind, if you're not making me feel like safe around you, I'll cut you off. That's me.
See.
If you're stressing me mentally,
So are you cutting them
See.
off based on
Their
the fact that
behavior.
you've attained some certain level of wealth?
Do you know?
of
No,
fame?
no.
Or like you're talking about generally?
generally, apart
see.
from money,
Yes.
See.
huh?
Yeah.
Wait, let me say this. Money comes with a certain behavior. There's the amount of money you have, the way you used to behave when you were broke, you won't behave that way.
You're right.
Whether you like it or not, there's this peace you want. At that time, you want peace. But someone will come. All you want is noise, talking plenty,
Are you sure
bringing.
money comes with peace?
It's not
Money, I'm not saying it comes with peace. You want peace.
That's
You.
what
It's not all money that
I'm
comes
saying-
with peace.
All money
You
does
know
not.
what I'm saying is that when you have money,
Yes.
all you want is peace. I'm saying it comes from money. When you have money, all you
You want more
want
money, my dear.
is peace.
And there is no
Yeah.
peace in that.
You understand? I'm saying no. You want peace. You're looking for peace. Or me, if I have like money, a little amount of money that will come, I don't want someone to be talking plenty. If you're not talking money, not talking
Yes,
business,
exactly.
don't
Like,
come
don't
to
talk
me.
about
That's what I'm
Don't
to
talk
say.
about it.
I'm looking for
Right.
peace.
Now,
Don't
mindset
bring,
no be money.
yes,
Now,
don't
your
bring
mindset
drama
is
to
like
me.
this
Don't
sound like
don't
that.
fuck with my
No,
mental
but
health.
but some
Don't.
friendships are
No.
toxic.
Well,
Very.
Very.
I'll
There-
still
some
tell
friends
you,
are in competition with
it's
you.
about your approach.
Same.
It's your approach.
Nah.
I'm still very much in touch with so many of my classmates,
Yes.
regardless of status or
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
Now they know too well how to discuss around me because
Yes.
I bring the balance. When I'm in a group with you, we chat and all of that, and you are trying to be lousy. I come straight to the point. I'm like, no, we don't talk like this. We are not kids.
Yes.
We are not animals.
Yes.
We don't talk like, because I still have, I'm in my primary school group, I'm in my secondary school group, I still do the BOT stuff for everybody. Now, somebody has to come with that balance. Somebody has to come with that maturity. Somebody has to come with that energy that puts everybody together. Because, before people start exiting groups.
You're right.
Because, somebody spoke to me in a nasty way, someone said this. So be the balance. I usually come in and I'm like, oh, don't say this. This is not nice. Everybody feels like, oh, wow, she's actually the big one and she's supposed to be carrying shoulders.
She's a big sis in the group. Yeah.
But apart from that, but there are still toxic people that be like, this is even overdoing, oversabi, who send that?
Everybody doesn't have to love you.
That's just it.
Everybody doesn't have to like
you. And you must not like everybody.
The truth is, when you have that mark of authority, people shut up even if they have to shut
You're
up.
right.
Yeah.
So you need to carry yourself in a manner that you don't attract bullshit.
Yes.
So that's the way to carry yourself in a group of people who are most likely not to be of like minds with you. You need to understand in your head that not everybody will like you, so it doesn't stop you from hitting it when you have. I really don't care if you like what I'm saying to you right now,
or you don't.
But I'm just telling you that we all have to behave ourselves. We all have to carry ourselves with decorum. We all have to have respect for each other. We need to talk to each other with so much love and respect, not abusing or being rude or using saucy words. Or,
But you know some people. Do you know some people? Just because it's coming from you doesn't sound right.
Yes,
that's okay. But have you heard me?
Just
have
because
you
it's like coming from you, like. It doesn't sound right.
Yes.
That's okay. Oh, she sounds like that because she has money.
Sounds
like that because
she has to dictate for us. Something like that.
Yes. All of you.
Children.
Like, yes. They are friends like that. But you know they are friends like that.
But that's still fine for me. For me, it doesn't bother me. What you think about me or how you feel, am I saying the right thing? Am I trying to get everybody to behave in the right manner?
Or this one is just your personality.
Yes.
It's just your
It's not everybody that have that. Not everybody that have that mind.
The other just wants to cut off friends.
Yes.
You're not serving me. Go
away.
That's what the other is of the opinion.
No, yes. Even me, I'm like that. I'm like stressed.
Now you even try. Me, I know go dey rude to you. I know go just talk.
So
Thank you.
Funny enough, it's not my personality to be this kind of way that you think. I'm a very nice person. I'm a very social person. I'm very jovial. I do better when I'm with people. You get. But when we are not together, you try to call me or you try to message me. If I don't feel anything important is coming from you, I will not answer.
But how do you know something is important is going to come when you don't answer? Sometimes, let me tell you something.
Okay, it's from the person to be. From that person that we are talking about now in this case, it comes from that person directly now. Okay, I get to check how our conversations has been in the past, where it is at the present, and then you know how it can be or where it might lead to in the future.
Yes.
Now, see this kind of, let me give an instance now. Okay, still the same thing because we're talking about old friends and growth. How do you expect me to feel when I get receive a message or maybe a call from an old friend, and after exchanging pleasantries, how have you been, what's going on, that kind of thing, the first thing we go come to do now ask me, say, oh my guy, this thing, after send me money now, make I use do this thing.
But I don't.
Be like,
but if
it's
you're
a norm. Some of us live like that every day.
Exactly. No. But if you're in a position to help, why not help?
No. If I can help, I can help doesn't mean I will not help. But you should not rush me immediately.
What if at the time they called you, they are really they're in their need of it?
Like, this is what I've said. That balance. You need to know how to talk to people. Sometimes be diplomatic about stuff. I have that almost every day. I don't have the capability or ability to give everybody money every day.
Yes.
But I would tell you in a nice way. Do you understand? I would tell you clearly. I would say, oh, actually, I had a project I have done. I have given stuff that I have done. You came quite a little late, right? I can't entertain that now, but during the course of the week, let me look around. If I can have any extra to spare, I will give you. But if I feel outrightly like, oh, this guy is overdoing it and I don't, because maybe I've given you today, giving you tomorrow, outrightly, I'll tell you, I'm sorry, I've exhausted my limit for the period. I don't have
exactly. So I had this conversation with my sister last week, and we're talking about something like this. I think a friend of hers sent her a message like, please, if you have money, gave me, and she was mad. And I'm like, why are you mad? She was like, this person have not called her in a long time.
Very true.
I'm like, no, but you don't have to be mad. If you don't have it, just tell them, like, I don't have it. You don't have to be mad that she did not call you in a long time. Exactly, like, you don't have to be mad about it.
Don't misunderstand this thing. That madness doesn't mean you change it for that person's thing. We'll still follow that same thing that you said earlier. That's okay.
You don't have.
I don't get to. No worry.
Exactly.
But I dey vex within my mind, within my heart, say why it be say they reach out to me since the first time after all this.
And some friends are like that.
I tell my friends.
Some friends are like that.
Exactly. Like,
Some friends are like that. They will never check on you till they need money.
That's what
Some friends are like that.
She's asking one question now. She's asking one question.
I will tell you to your face.
Exactly. You've not checked on me in a while, and then you're coming to tell me that you need some money.
Yes. It happen with one or two. I dey look the person. If I look here, I go know how I go take respond. You get the ones where I go say, okay, I beg, okay, just wait small. If I can do, then I'll do, no problem.
Me, I don't know. What I'm trying to say is, if cutting off some people will give you peace of mind, you do it.
On what ground are you cutting them off?
Just for asking.
Peace of mind. No, me, I'm talking about money right now. So my money is not even it.
Peace of mind. Is it toxic? Is the person toxic?
Yes.
If you're toxic, I will cut you off.
That's it.
But if you're not 100%,
some friends, they're just in competition with you. When they see you're going, like, they just want to die.
It's not healthy.
They just they want to bring you down by all means.
No, those you cut off.
That's what I'm trying to say.
No double conversation.
But you know, they'll still go out there and say it's because you have money. That's why you cut me off.
That's okay. You're preserving yourself. Self-preservation is not dangerous.
I like myself.
I don't like stress.
I like myself.
Even my family member, you stress me, I stay away from you.
Let me tell you one thing. I will never delete a contact, and I will never block you.
Even me, I don't block.
I use the block button like it's my
I don't want you in my space. I don't want you if I don't want you as my friend, I don't want you in my space.
No, when you become toxic and I feel like you're stressing me, you're killing my energy.
I'll delete
I'll block you in 2 days
if I can. I'm telling you. I'm like that. I do. Like, what are you? No, you know, there's something that someone usually say. He would say there's a level of wealth, there's a level of what's it called, fame that you get to. I don't have to have you in my contact list for you to see.
Yes.
Wherever you are, you will see it.
Yes.
You don't have to be on my WhatsApp to know that I've blown.
Yes.
No, you don't have to.
Yeah.
Wherever you are in the world, that's like what I have in my head. So I don't keep people because I want you to see that I'm living good.
Yeah.
I won't do that. If you're not serving me, if we're not doing, because I feel like friendship, relationship, whatever it is, it's a give and take.
Yeah.
You can't always be taking from me.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Some people
work
are takers. They don't.
So if you're always taking from me and I feel like I'm drained whenever I'm around you, you have to go.
Yes.
Okay, so
You have to
basically
go.
for me, if we are not communicating, I don't see why you're sitting following
Exactly.
my contact list.
Exactly.
Now, we need to communicate. That's friendship. That's when I know that you are in my memory, you are in my consciousness.
Exactly.
Now, we can, other classmates, people that are just there in the background. Yeah, when I go to the school group, I do all of those things. But the people whom I interact with, socialize with, I have connections with are the very people that I can tell you, okay, they're my friends, and if we do things, it will bother me. Not those people that are just sitting dormant, waiting to see that you have done something. Because some people is when you post a very nice picture,
they remember you.
Me, I go on the carry person for mind, or go on the answer them when they come the reach out. Guy, you're doing well, low. Show us way now.
Make I send Aza.
Send Aza.
Cut up for me.
So why go on the reason all those kind of things? And most times now because of all those kind of things. And I know one thing, most especially on Facebook, because Facebook, that's why I don't joke my Facebook. That's where like you find all like most of my old friends. Now I like Facebook. Even if it's story I post, there is no time I post like make a post on Facebook and I don't receive how many DMs. But that from old friends or all those admirers from afar that want to. You get so, but why do you think or why do you expect I will now want to answer when they feel like okay, this person is living the good life? Listen, you are making that kind of assumption when you don't even know how to think.
Exactly.
You get so.
All you need is a good phone and a good editing app.
Yeah, a life.
Some people
Good location.
Yeah.
Those those ones that want to ask you for something are those ones that actually feel entitled to something.
Yes, yes.
So they feel like, I
Yes.
know you now.
Exactly,
Like,
I know
you.
you.
Run round streets.
Yes. So we say don't men they use pants, they run up and
So
down.
why you? Why help your girl now? Show your girl love.
Yeah.
Give me some.
Yeah, yes.
Just things like that.
Side,
Now, fine. If I feel like I have been observing you for a while and you did try, I will want to try for you.
Yes.
But if I see that it's a style, it is something that you're so used to doing.
Yeah.
You often have a behavior of wanting to
Collect.
collect. Some people are just tax collectors.
Yes.
Yeah.
They would go around everybody in the group. They would
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody. They would almost take from everybody. And when I see such a situation, I just know that this person is not actually behaving. This person is not somebody I should give some money to. This is not somebody I should help or do anything for. So I'm just not into helping you. I'm not into getting involved with you because I know that it's a normal behavior. You're taking from me, you're going to take from someone else, and you continue. It's like a lifestyle for
I
you.
know there are friends that would never say anything good about you.
Yes.
You are the one
Never.
bothering. It's like you're jobless.
They would never, like you guys are friends, right? They would never say anything good about you.
That's just it.
Thank
We have a lot.
Thank God I don't give a hoot.
When you're observing, I'm not observing you. I
You're
think
right.
if you say hello to me, I say hello to you.
Yes.
If it feels like you've been observing me and you're following my progress and you say nice words and I know you're watching me, right? But I don't go out of my way to sit down and I go through your profile, check your page. Actually, don't watch stories. I have a habit of not because I feel like what makes you think someone else is watching yours? I just post my stuff and I go. Posting on social media for me is I keep memories. So I just dump it there for the internet to remember, for my kids to one time see that their mom was like this.
Yes,
That's for me. I just do it. So if you come to my page, you like my picture, you say nice words, I see, I respond to you. But if you don't say anything, please keep your words to yourself. It doesn't change the price of okra in the market in this economy. I'm not bothered. So I don't get petty or I don't get bothered about jealousies from friends or people who perceive me to be doing a lot better than... No, the focus is you. Your growth, what you do with yourself, how you improve yourself from the point where you are to the next point. Because these people will always be there.
Yeah,
to
true,
complain.
true.
But if I can carry you along in the level of life I go, because I see that you are trying, or you're resonating with the things I am doing, or you have some knowledge of what I am into, I pull friends along. I don't leave you beside.
So how do you connect with friends that you know they benefit, like you benefit from them? But just because, like I said earlier, there are friends that when you get to a certain level, they feel like, I think I need to just give her time and her space. Like, how do you connect to people like that you know?
I still do. I do have friends that initially they felt, I'll be very snobbish. I will not talk to you.
Yes.
I would see you and I'll. But we had memories. So I have a friend, Choma. If she writes a lot, she would tell me, you're still humble, you're still that nice next door neighbor, you're still that. I'm like, Choma, excuse me.
Like,
we
if you don't try,
yes. We live together, we share lots of memories. What do I want to erase? You and I jumping the fence to see each other and talk. What is it? Am I erasing from my head? There's a lot. And when you say those warm things, it melts, it makes them feel close to you, feel like there's just a lot to relate with you. I'm a wishy person also, trust me. That part of me stays. I just something to connect, there's something to hold on to, there's something to love upon, and it builds, it makes it fun.
But do you agree that fame and wealth changes us?
It does, definitely, because
Yes.
you want to relate. For the forward-thinking people, yes. For the backward-thinking people, no. Because they would rather do the fame with people that we go to the beer parlor and drink. But for the forward-thinking people, we are thinking of the next level. We're thinking of how to improve, how to climb up. If I have the opportunity to dine with Theodore, I'm going to take it to the next level. I want to see the
in-betweeners. Now let me ask. Do we have the in-betweeners?
What are the in-betweeners?
Where you go, still they do the two sides.
Yes,
there are people like that.
Yes, like me, I'll still go to the ghetto and go and drink my G's in the ghetto because I cannot bring them to the tush nation where we can tush together. Let them not,
they can never be able to tush.
I will not never love. I will not bring them there. So I can go down there. I can play. I can bring the party to you. Throw ghetto parties.
Most
do all of those
cases,
things. That's fun.
now forward.
No.
Most cases
For whatever.
It depends on you. You know, being
no, but you'd already
like
said
being
that
in love
he
with
knows how to
humanity
cut
is
people
a personal
off.
thing.
Yeah.
It's either in you, it's you or it's not you. You are somebody that you love to give back. or you don't love, you just think of you and it's okay to be selfish in today's world.
Exactly.
Before it was not okay to be selfish. You must give back to the society. So if you're someone that gives back to the society, then you definitely would go back. But if you're someone that it's just you, your growth, and those around you, that's you. Do you? If it works for you.
Listen, one in 100, and anything to take happen.
How about that?
Yeah, so
everybody's not the same.
Theodore is the one in 100. Because no, Theodore, you are the one in 100. Everybody's not the same.
Yeah, I've said it now. It's your make talking.
This one, it cuts everybody off.
Funny, but what Theodore is saying is, it's not about him like having the fame or money that will leave his friend. It's talking about even
when there's no fame
money,
or money, but
yes,
there's a place that he will see you.
This one, yes,
somebody calling his name. Because he becomes worried.
Gone, forever cut off with your, because you're already saying, like, if I get to, I'm not even in that level yet, and there's a way you look as my friend, I cannot relate to you. That's what the other is saying.
Like, I don't like junkies. Like what he's saying. You're into drugs.
You're right.
But
I get so irritated.
But he could actually talk that guy out of it. So
exactly. Yeah, I was about to say that. Exactly.
The way he snubbed me, I won't. I had a friend that was a junkie. I tried my best. I tried my best. I tried my best to take her out, like from drugs, junkie life. I tried my best. She didn't. She had to stay in my mom's house to be safe, so that she would stop taking. It's a lie. She ran away.
But you did your bit.
No, but yes, I did mine.
Exactly.
Yes, I did.
What Theodore is saying? Theodore is saying.
But I left her.
Yeah, but that's what life is about. At least you tried to.
I tried. Yes, I did.
You tried. Yes.
She didn't hold on.
Yes, she didn't.
That's her problem.
But our Theodore is saying that he cuts off. He's not even trying to help you.
He doesn't have any
trying to help you. He's going to fire. As long as you don't match his level, you are going.
One guy see me back after the same all these years. The guy come on, my guy, I want jump. Come on. I say, one jump, I do and I say,
give me your
see, that thing, I know
it's
how
okay
that
to have boundaries.
Yes,
no, I was like, calm down. I say, we don't pass that level. You get?
Give her
no. You know, say times don't pass for some kind things now. So if I don't come,
be like some of us, me that I can see my old friends and I'm
jumping. You guys are
but we are ladies actually.
Yeah, exactly. We are ladies. Man, we can do all that outside and
yes.
When you see a man jumping, you're like,
what's
jumping? What's going
on? I've seen guys.
Really? Yes. No, they do. They hug.
You're overly excited.
Go where like, because the person they raise hand like this. Are you it out?
Posh boy.
You're the one that doesn't want to hug now, so you can do the rank and it is
exactly.
There's nothing there.
At the end of the day,
you vex your blood, the hot sha.
No, life.
But me personally,
for everything, that's all I'm trying
me
to say.
personally, I'm not that person that know how to cut people off like that. If I see, like what Snow said when she said, if she sees like an old friend, like I would want to connect.
Yeah.
But I know my boundaries. My boundaries are my boundaries. But I want to connect with you. I want to know what's up with you. I want to know where, if I can help, I want to know where. Exactly. That's the way I am. It doesn't mean that I don't have boundaries, but then I still like to, there's this, people, I don't know how to put it, but it's just in my head, because I would not like to see my classmates and then see that they ignore me. I would not like that. Do you get me? I would not like
to turn.
Exactly, tables could turn. Exactly.
And then you're looking up to a friend who would be
able to help you. Exactly. Exactly.
Good for you.
Wow.
This one is done. He doesn't want to hear.
Serious?
Yes, now. The table's done good for you now. Me, I know we are done to reach. I know what I don't do. I do enjoy it.
So if you have a classmate that can take you higher than this level now,
take me higher. That me won't go meet and say me take me higher.
Boy,
He doesn't even care.
He's not speaking the English that
he doesn't care, Seth. He doesn't want to hear.
It's totally different.
We meet people every day.
Of course we do. Then how do you no, not everybody you meet every day will be up to your level. Do you know that? And just because somebody is not up to your level doesn't mean that they cannot help you.
Yeah, true.
Do you know?
Everybody have that.
Exactly.
Do you know
what you can use them for?
Somebody above your level can actually come in a package of a popper.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes.
Do you know there's something called disguise?
Yes.
It happen.
Because some people want to disguise. They don't want you to. They want you to relate with them on the level of who you are, not because of what they are or the status of what they carry. Do you know that?
Those ones that the new people now, the way I act around persons I meet for the first time is different from the way I act around people I've known for
body language.
Really?
Yes. It is body language.
Yes, now. At least me and the child talk say, okay, I feel no day rude to you for the first time. Because
but you know send, Sha. But you know send.
For me, I know just send.
I can bet you if I come to you looking like unkept, and I want to.
He will never look at you.
You will die.
You will move, please.
You as in. So this story you're telling me.
I'm telling you. This Theodore might see me tomorrow looking a type of way. I'm like, move, please move.
You say you've gone into.
I'm telling you, yeah.
You say
you're okay, see, you get why it's the way happen now. Okay, me and my guy now supposed to come and pick me up somewhere so that I'll go to another place and go and chill. So then what happened was that he called me, he said, he's around this place. So I said, okay, which side? I come to Waka, they find out. The next thing, somebody was trying to stop me. Do you know, I felt like it was a beggar. So I just didn't talk, like, I just do it, like, next thing, as I just walk, I just stopped. Then I turned back, I looked. He now looked at me, now smiled and shook his head. And I said, I did not know you're the one. No. Like, I don't know, say that, like, I felt like, but me, I know going to say this now one beggar because
okay, so because he was a beggar, that's why you gave him that treatment.
I actually did, sincerely speaking.
You can imagine, and you still have not learned your lesson.
You don't
because
get
Theodore, you still have not learned your lesson.
The streets is hard. You don't know person go come meet you. You don't know whether na person will come rob you. Person will come take. You don't know it's in people kind for mind. But you can't trust anyone.
But do you know it's not everybody around you that want to actually take something
from
you?
You won't take no.
Sometimes people just want you to listen to them. Like
just. Why you talk like this now?
And so how would you now know that they want something from you if you don't even give them a listening ear? Because if you look a certain way, don't come close to Theodore. That's what he's trying to say. No, because I don't pass your level.
Everybody must not be humble. Everybody must not be humble.
That's true. That's true.
Some people respect.
I know how to handle you.
That's just it.
You know how to handle you.
Everybody must not just be humble. That's what makes life.
Yeah, that's true. That's the balance. That's the balance of life.
Everybody must not be humble.
We must not all be on the same page on this particular. Theodore will bounce you if you look at certain.
I'm a humble guy now. Why I talk say I know humble?
No, but
I know me since I know say I'm humble now.
No, we're saying yes, but you don't want certain people around you.
Based on this topic, old friends, waiting. If you choose to day one certain level where I know say I don't pass, if the thing a bad energy, I beg, no just they bring and come my side.
Wow.
Okay,
yes, no bring and come my side.
Does anybody get into this scenario whereby you run into someone you think you know, or the person you know, then you're giving them smiles like I know you, and they keep a straight face?
Yes. Hey, it happened to me last 2 weeks.
Like it's not you.
It happened to me.
I'm confused.
I started singing. I was continuous. I turned it to song. Like what the what the fuck is this? I started singing.
I waved. I waved.
I not wave.
And then
I was smiling like
who are you waving to? And then I was like.
I get that a lot sometimes because I
started singing.
Faces. Now, if you're wearing like a friend that I was very close to in the past before, and I remember you, recollect everything about you. If I see you naturally and you're trying to smile at me, I smile back, whether it is you or not.
Exactly. Yes.
So I do that a lot because some people don't feel too good if they try to smile or reconnect with you and then you give them an attitude like you don't know them. Half of the time, honestly, I don't know them.
Yes.
But because I see them smiling, I just smile back because I know that, it took courage for this person to actually smile.
It does. Yes, it does.
The boldness.
Yes, it does.
To me. I smile because I just know,
people
she
get
knows me. She has
quickly.
seen me on TV. She's seen me somewhere. She's seen me. You just know me for you to be smiling.
Okay, yes,
so I smile back.
Public figure.
Yes, so I smile back and I'm like, oh, hi.
May I
then you get to tell me who's. Then actually, some actually know me way back. And if I hadn't smiled back, they
you would have known.
Yeah, they would have felt so bad.
Exactly.
And I do wonder if people go through the same situation.
Yes.
How do you cope with it? How do you handle it?
Well, I have same thing. Like if someone smiles at me in public, I smile back.
Yeah.
If you wave at me, sometimes I might even wave back. Then I realize that you're not even waving at me.
Yes,
you're waving at somebody. But then, like, I'm already waving, like waving. Then I will turn and see that somebody else is also waving.
Are you serious?
You get? Yes, I'm like that.
Wave.
Yes, we all wave. So the person will be like, okay, so since I'm waving, hi. So that's how I do. I don't know how to ignore people. I don't know how to ignore people. But this Theodore, the way Theodore is laughing, it shows that Theodore will bluntly ignore you and not say a word.
He's a hard man.
I'm telling you.
I'm actually not wearing the dark shades on right now, but that's why I love wearing dark shades.
Oh, why?
You will not even know where I'm looking at.
You can imagine. Like, no, honestly, like Snow said, it takes a whole lot of courage for someone to see you in public and wants to say hi.
Yeah.
You know, like if I see Snow somewhere, I want to say hi to her, and then she's not saying hi to me.
Yeah,
I'm going to feel like
to hurt you.
Exactly, it will hurt me. Do you get me? But now I'm not even going to put myself in her shoes because it's possible that she might not even know that it's me.
But famous people don't see lots of faces.
Exactly, you see a lot of faces every day.
But let me say this, but sometimes people cut some friends off. Does that make them a bad person?
No.
Like me I'm cutting you off. Does that make me a bad person?
If it is for being toxic, right? It doesn't make you a bad person. But if it's just because you feel like you've
gotten to a level, that you need to.
No, like actually maybe.
Tables turn. You can go back.
Exactly.
To that level.
Exactly.
Yes. Maybe not because I'm bigger. It's just that I don't just want people anymore.
Let me give you the only scenario. Like,
do you know that it's
sometimes I don't want friends. I don't want people.
Somebody in your face, not because they're toxic or
because I'm bigger or not. I don't want people.
Somebody being friendly with you doesn't mean they're going to be in your space. Being in your space is like coming into your space, like where you dwell.
You're right.
Saying hi, saying hello doesn't
change.
They say from hi hello and they say how far now. From
hi
hello they say how far.
That's where you come in. That's where your own balance comes in.
Take my address. Yeah, my house. This is where you can find me. No, but if I see you on the road, I can't just cut you off. I know you. I cannot.
You cannot unknow
somebody. But some people they would want more. Hello, hi.
That's you.
You want to pass? Say, Afa, look at your number. Afa, where you there now? Some people like that.
Well, haven't you?
Don't worry.
I don't want giving people fake numbers.
Exactly.
Don't you give Toasters fake numbers?
Chineke me.
No, but there are even times that you give somebody your number and you not pick.
But I feel bad. Yes.
My brother's number.
I should give my mom's number actually.
No, why will you give the number in the first place?
Because I
don't make you feel bad.
I don't want you to feel bad.
I go do my own like that.
So she's not blunt to say no. I can tell you that, I'm sorry, where I live it's not possible for people to come see me. I can tell you, no, actually my phone, I might not pick. I'm so blunt. I can tell you I might not pick my call because I am always
no, it's to men. I can say that to men.
No, I would say to girls.
But to like friend, my classmate or my coursemate then in high institution or my secondary school class, I'll be feeling bad. I can't do that.
Then again, that's why some of us can give you your number. We are seeing your chat or see your message. You're not answering.
We're not answering. Exactly. Thank you so much, guys, for being on the show with me. Thank you, Snow, for coming. We really appreciate it over here. Thank you so much, guys, for being on the show. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. We've seen your love. We don't take it for granted over here. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.